what's going on, guys? So I can't even do this. The world is gonna hate this. Why am I doing this? Ernie, why am I doing this?
I don't know.
All right, guys, so as you all know, I have a C7 Corvette. It's kind of my unicorn car. I got it with no engine in it. And yeah, I mean, we've got a drag pack on it. We got some other things going on it. And was thinking, well, what are we going to do for an engine in this thing, man? What are we going to do to build this thing and really set the world on fire? So I couldn't think of anything else to do. Oh my God, I can't believe I'm doing this. But we're going to Coyote swap a Corvette, a C7 on top of that. So I came down here to my family salvage yard and I talked to my cousin. I said, hey man, you got any Coyotes available? And he says he does. So this is what we got. We got a 2019 Ford F-150 that looks like it's got hit pretty bad. But the engine is not hurting this thing. It needs a harness and a couple other things. But we plan on putting it on Holley anyways. So this is the start of the Coyote swapped C7 Corvette. So I'm gonna get with Kenny and we're gonna work on getting this thing pulled apart and getting this Coyote out of here and unbolted from the transmission. And then we're gonna start going together on the Corvette. So if you're not already subscribed to our channel, subscribe now, follow along with this thing. We're gonna try and bolt this we're gonna try and make a bell housing to put this on the torque tube and transaxle of the actual Corvette. So we got a lot of things that we're gonna try and do to make this happen. So make sure you subscribe to us, follow us, and I wanna know what your comments are. What do you think about this, this swap we're gonna do? I can't even believe I'm doing it. Everybody that knows me knows I'm an LS guy, and yeah, I hate Ford, and yeah, we're gonna put this Coyote in a Corvette, and we're gonna make it go fast. Stay tuned.